This poor bird. He got the lure. Look at that. Poor bird. Okay, one is out. 1 second. 1 second. Okay. Alright, go. She's gonna make it. And maybe this is my lucky lure. See, you see, Tag, you lost it behind. Oh, you lost it underneath, yeah. You lost the cup. Woo! We just launched, 4 of us. Out! I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the audience. Oh. Which you're gonna be part of them. Derek, Jake and Scott. Bexhill. What is it? 12:20. 3 hours before low water. I have the what do you call it? The waypoint already on the GPS. When we launched last time in John, just taking my time, keep moving forward into the light. No matter where the man sets my feet. I thought it was a rubber band, but it's not. I don't know if she's gonna make it. Poor. Okay, one is out. Ah, shit. I want even to. Alright, go. She's gonna make it. Somehow she went for the lure, probably, and she got tagged totally. Both of the trebles are broken. Who knows how long she was like that. Alright. Decent place. Very decent place. Black log, black frozen log and squid. They take it so deep. Derek J, copy? Drifting place after 2 minutes bait in the water.
Where you fishing?
I'm east regarding to you, more east.
Okay, you've got two banks, like sand banks, east of us. Are you in between there, or?
I'm not sure it's sand, because it might be mussel beds, because it feels a bit not snuggy, but the hook from time to time get stuck. But yeah, 2 minutes the bait was in the water and I got a decent place, maybe 40 centimeter. Lost the fish. My God, lost it. They nicking it, these small ones. What I'm doing, because they nicking the bait, I put a fingernail piece. Maybe also I'm gonna catch a sole, because when I put a little bit longer, they stripping it. It come back only with the lugworm, even though they're gonna take also the lugworm, but that's what I try to do. Okay. And meanwhile, that the bait is down, I'm gonna put on the bait needle, I'm gonna prepare another one and keep it in the cooler. So this is the bait needle. It's a bit curved because it's easier to hold it while you thread it on the hook. And always to keep the bait very, very cold in those type of days. Because if it's not stay cold and it's not fresh, forget about it. It's the confidence, and when it's bring fish, you know that's how you need to keep it. And because you're drifting, sometimes the line with the lead will put some tension on the rod, but it's not a bite. So you're waiting for the bite to come. See, this is not a bite. Although the fish are working on the bait, I can see that. Single shot place here, small one. Baby. Places are here, but they're small.
Yeah, I've had about 8 plates, and a mackerel, and a flounder. But yeah, they're not too big, but they will be there, I'm sure. No matter what the weatherman says about the conditions, there is no need to fret. And when it gets
Another
hot,
plate, small one.
just break off the sweat, and that is the outlaw.
Finally, much better place. Probably 38. Yeah, I'll measure it now, but I think it's around 38.
We know when the clouds are in the sky. We know when the rain is falling outside. But as long as we don't let it in, then we can all keep on. Easy living this life. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy living this life. Keep on giving love till you die. And that's the outlook of my mind.
Let's see if I get a bite. Eating my sandwich. Starving.
There they are, they're jumping out to the left of me.
Got 7 at place already, but only 2 keepers. I have a handmade feather that I made here with 2 hound thread, only feathers, 3 feathers. Because Jake got a couple of mackerels. Finally! It's a good bass. Good bass on the line. Barely hooked. God, it's barely hooked. Big bass, at least 5 pounds, but it's barely hooked. Got it! Gentlemen, I have a big bass here. £4 only. This is a nice bass. Well, let's measure you. 23 and a half. 23 and a half inch. How much is it? 46 plus 16. 56. Beauty. Beauty of a bass. I'm happy with that. They are here on the surface. I'm catching them one by one. Another one. That's a schoolie. Oops, he's out. That was a schoolie. Keep it here on the surface, you can see them. You can see them on the sound now. Well, yeah, I'm in. Bus frenzy, bus frenzy. Schoolie. Schoolie. I don't think it's a keeper. Nice one. Back. Yes, yes, yes. Oh shit, he's gone. Okay, they are not big, this one on the surface, they are not big. So I don't mind if they yes, another one. Loads of them here. Just for the okay, needs to be 16 and a half. This one is still rocking. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, They are on the surface. Coming towards you. Yeah. Steak. I love the bass steak. Wow, there are so many with it.
So many situations, so little time. Don't ask about my problems. I haven't got the time. I need mental vacations from what seems to be myself. It could be paranoia. I could just need your help till I get the time to get away from it all. The hustle, it blinds me till I finally can recall. It's not so hard to be satisfied.
Yeah.
To have peace in my mind. To be satisfied.
It's madness, huh?
It's not so hard
Once they are here, they are here.
to satisfy.
Side casting.
Peace in my mind.
They will take anything. Loads of them.
I think I'm losing patience. I think I'm in a rut. I think there is a problem. Oh, I think I think too much. I remember when I worry.
Yep.
I forget to live. It's all
On.
my own missing what it is.
They are small, they are schooly.
It's so long since I've had time to do.
Where's your line? You're trolling something or what?
Yeah, I'm Is this what you was catching the other day?
No, another day it wasn't like this. Other day it was only trolling 15, 20 foot. That's the thing. Today it's different. We didn't see any of them on the surface. None. Yeah, good take. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. Loads of them, loads. You're the mackerel, man. It's on the cusp, borderline. I think it's keeper. It's 16 and a half, so I think it's a keeper. But I'll let it go.
As the sun
So I'm gonna close the video now because I didn't. Just what happened today, we launched 3 hours before low water. The plan was to troll for the bass like last time, which didn't really work for whatever reason. I tried all kind of lures and depth and went over again and again over the reefs, but I couldn't catch them. So we have decided to go and drift for place. Actually, that was quite successful. For about an hour and a half we drift for place, caught quite few keepers, the rest were small. Then decided to go back into the trolling. So then I was actually, it was half an hour, 1 hour actually after low water, and that was the plan. And I hit a very good, nice bass, the biggest so far for me. It was a little bit over 4 pounds, 60 centimeter bass. So I was happy with that. And from that point on, all the bass and the birds started to show up on the surface. Loads of them. You didn't need to troll, you just cast the lure, retrieve it back, and you've been hitting into schoolies, a bit bigger than schoolies. Great fun, loads of them. I don't know how many I caught, and all of us caught with that method, because you basically side cast. It was a nice day. It wasn't what I expected, but still caught loads of fish, loads of bass, few place. So you can't ask for more. Just the fact that it's finished quick and fast. That's always what makes you want to go again. So thank you for tuning in for the channel. Thank you for watching. Please do me a favor, if you like the content, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know every time that I'm dropping a new video. Like and share. Until next time, see you on the water. From Castanet Fishing Adventure, Tight Lines.